Kuhn Rikon cookie presses. Making cookies is easy with the Kuhn Rikon clear cookie press. The clear barrel makes it easy to see how much dough is left. Choose from a wide variety of cookie press shapes for the holidays or any day. Clear barrel lets you see contents inside. Several interchangeable disc designs. Includes recipes and easy-to-use instructions. One-handed operation. For best cleaning results, unscrew barrel from top white plastic grip, twist and pull. Do not put cookie discs into dishwasher. They make erode. Hand wash recommended. Top rack dishwasher safe. Wilton Preferred Press Cookie Press makes spritz cookies in all kinds of different designs with 12 different shaped discs, and the Preferred Press Cookie Press raised base design makes it easy to switch out fit right discs. Cookie press dimensions: 8.75 x 11 x 2.6 inches, 22.2 x 27.9 x 6.6 cm. Material: metal and plastic. Before, first and after each use, wash in warm, soapy water, rinse and dry thoroughly. You can choose this product since each provides excellent value for the money. Wilton Simple Success Cookie Press. Make fast and easy uniform spritz cookies for a crowd. Comfortable ergonomic handle with soft grip trigger. Clear barrel so you can see how much dough you have. Includes 12 discs in versatile shapes, including seasonal favorites: Christmas tree, wreath and snowman, pumpkin, turkey. Everyday designs: dot pattern, doily, pinwheel, heart, starburst, sunburst and biscuit. Before, first and after each use, wash in warm, soapy water, rinse and dry thoroughly.